the first 5 years have got so much to do with how your next 80 would turn out to be. This was said by the very famous public figure, Mr. Bill Gates. However, the parenting journey is way longer than this. Nevertheless, if we sow the right seeds on time, we can get remarkable results in the form of those brilliant children who are authentic, independent, happy, and resilient. A very warm welcome to Mindful Parenting Hub. I'm Dr. Anushrita, a researcher by profession and a coach by passion. Being a born researcher, it was inherent to me to dig deeper than usual. And I used to observe how the parents around me would interact with their children and how it would carve their personality. When I became a trainer, I started understanding this parent-children dynamic at a deeper level, and I helped them evolve both as a parent and a child. Since then, I have helped a lot of families and children to understand what they truly are and how we can evolve them as an authentic self. This experience got further enriched when I started traveling for my research work in India and abroad. I got fair chance of meeting people from various backgrounds, culture, and creed. And this helped me understand better and at a deeper level how parenting is important and how it can help you shape and be what you really want to be in life. I thought that I know it all, but then this life-changing event happened, and I got to know how little I knew about parenting when I became a mother myself. Since then, I left no stone unturned to educate, absorb, and implement the best of parenting skills of both East and West. And then I became a mindful parent. And during these years, all this in-depth research is now being presented to you in a structured format for helping you being a mindful parent. So ladies and gentlemen, without wasting much time, I'll see you on the other side and watch you grow and transform as a mindful parent. Thank you.